There are show cars that look good, and then there are show cars like this custom-engineered 1967 Mustang Fastback that are wicked manifestations of vintage aesthetics and modern technology. If you're looking for a mind-blowing Pro Tour that's every bit as impressive as it is unique, this Take No Prisoners pony car is your ticket. The foundation for Flashback's build is an all-steel body that displays tight fit and finish, super smooth surfaces, and laser-straight style lines. Once Flashback's top-notch body had been hand-altered by the folks at Classic Designs Concepts, a dynamic coat of custom Sherwin Williams Pearl Blue metal flake was expertly applied under champagne racing stripes and a glossy clearcoat shell. One of the major selling points of the Flashback series was the thoughtfully redesigned and thoroughly modernized interior. The seats are power units that wear black leather covers, tan threads, tan center sections, and two-piece lap belts. A leather-capped dual-cowl dash hangs a modern head unit between custom Classic Instruments gauges, and a speed drill steering wheel laps a tilting column. Naturally, this Ford looks great, but its biggest selling point is the supercharged 5.4-liter V8 under the hood. Cranking out roughly 600 horsepower, it's backed by a 4-speed automatic that spins a Moser 9-inch with posi traction and 370 gears. There's no question this is a very special car, and that its existence moved the bar for OEM quality customs. Fun to look at, fun to drive, and fun to show. It's a cool classic that will continue to stand the test of time. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.